Welcome to video 2. Our next step is creating your report. After completing step 1, creating your campaign and uploading your locations, you will be back on the My Campaigns page. It's time to build your report. Under your campaign, click the Reports link on the right. Bisqqit will take you to your station and format selection page. Here, you can choose between AM or FM stations and select either commercial or non-commercial stations. Bisqqit will default to AM and FM stations and commercial only. Once you've finalized your stations, you will pick your national reps. Bisqqit will automatically default to all reps, but to pick a specific rep firm, simply hold down the Control key on your computer's keyboard and left-click on the desired company. Lastly, choose your formats. Again, Bisqqit will automatically default to all formats. However, if you have specific targets, like Hispanic listeners, again hold down your Control key and select formats Regional, Mexican, Spanish, and Tropical. For a News Talk campaign, you would select formats such as News, News Talk, and Talk formats. Once you've made your final selections, click the Next button. Bisqqit will take you to the final page of the report, which will display your household population demographics. You may select up to 3 options on this page. Demos: the number of people in the selected geography's population that can hear the radio station, based on the station's coverage area. Race ethnicity: total population figures for the Census Bureau's single race categories. Language: the 5+ population figures for the Census Bureau's language spoken at home categories, such as Chinese, which includes Mandarin and Cantonese. Spanish refers to respondents who speak Spanish at home to various degrees of proficiency. Lastly, internet connection: how your potential listeners can hear radio via the internet, whether through a cell plan only, broadband, satellite, or if they have no internet connection within their household. Once you've made your final 3 selections, click the Next button to review your report. The report will show you all stations, whose coverage signal touches each of your locations, and their percentage of coverage. Starting with the first column, you'll see each store location and their corresponding store IDs, followed by the city and state of license for each station, the station call letters and their frequency, primary format, ownership licensee, and national rep of record. The last 4 columns will show the demographic targets you selected along with your geo% of coverage, or the percentage of each station signal that reaches your target retail location. It's important to remember, the target location area includes each retail location and your selected radius of 5, 10, or 20 miles. The geo% number listed on your report encompasses both the target location and your selected surrounding radius. You can click any heading to sort your report. To view specific coverages, stations, or locations, simply type into the search bar your target. Bisqqit will filter out all information and only show you which locations your selection covers. To download the data, simply click the Download the Data button at the top. You can then customize your report in Excel and apply it to your presentation. And just like that, your report is complete. Be sure to catch our next video, how to create your interactive multi-station coverage maps. And remember, to schedule a live demo, feel free to contact us at sales@bisqqit.com.